Good morning. Today we're going to describe some improv games that have to do with emotions. I'm really going to focus in on one improv game and kind of talk about the different adaptations for different abilities and ages. So this game is called Emotion Car, and it works on emotions and also conversation skills. And it's where you're going to pretend like you're driving a car, like as the parent, teacher, whoever's there, and or other child, and you're going to pretend like you're driving the car with no emotion. And then there's going to be a chair sitting right by you where the next student, the next child, parent, teacher comes in, and they bring in a strong emotion, like so sad or so mad or so nervous for a certain reason. Like, I'm so nervous because I have a really big test today and I don't know what to do. And then the person in the driver's seat that had no emotion embodies the emotion that was brought in. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so nervous too because there's a tornado coming. And you just kind of empathize and connect with whatever emotion is thrown at you. And then the person driving thinks of a reason to leave the car. Like, I have to go figure out if my house is okay from the tornado. And you leave the car, and the person who came in originally comes back in that seat, and they're all nervous, but then they have to go back to being calm and having a stone face, as I call it. This game's really fun to play with children who are verbal, nonverbal. You can play it where you just are practicing the emotions of the face and just the idea of driving a car and using your imagination. And then for older grades, you can go more in detail with the scene work of it, the conversation you might have as two nervous people, two excited people, two happy people, and you can just play around with that imagination. I wanted to say also, all these games are found in my book, The Brain's Playground, Using Improv Games to Teach Social Emotional Learning, which on my website, zipzapzop.enrichment.org, you can find that, and that's my nonprofit. And also I'm going to be sharing, again, all these games on the YouTube channel. My name is Maja Watkins, and I'm a teacher, and I'm so happy to share these videos.